welcome to Someca CRM KPI dashboard template. KPIs, which means key performance indicators, are really essential for companies and getting much more important day by day. Because every successful business organization needs to analyze their performance to see their improvement clearly. This tool lets you track these figures in a professional and user-friendly way. So let's see the details. Basically, the template has two main sections. The first one is the section in which we input our values like current year actual, current year target, and past year actual. The second one is a section at which we analyze our results in the dashboard view and also together with charts at the same time. Additionally, in KPI info sheet, you can see the details and descriptions for each KPI we have used in the template. So, we put some dumb information to show you the tool, but you'll fill this template with your own data. Let's make an example together. I want to add new metric to my report as a new item. So I'm going to add this new KPI item to my input section here. I can use the existing empty areas or add a new row. For this example, I'm going to use lead generation group, and instead of inputting manually, I'm just going to copy and paste values from another file that I've been working on before. I'm taking the past year values and putting into the relevant section here. Similarly, I'm going to current year target values and putting into relevant section here. And the last one, I'm going to current year actual values and putting into relevant section. That's okay. Now we can see the dashboard updates. According to our new KPI, dashboard section shows monthly and cumulatively results at the same time. We can change the month from this drop down easily and show the details. And in the chart section, we can check our trends with monthly and cumulatively. Let's select our new KPI to see charts update accordingly. See, that's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at Someca website. Thank you.